Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Navigate app here in your cell phone.
Right now, I'm using an iPhone. In this case, I'm going to go to the App Store. If you have an Android, you will have to go to the Google Play Store. I'm going to look for Navigate, and it looks something like this. It's Navigate Student, and the icon is blue. I will go ahead and download it. And once it's downloaded, open up the Navigate app. Once you open it up, you will type New Mexico State University System. You will click Login. I will sign up using my NMSU username. I click Next. I type the password and then I sign in. And don't forget to authenticate. Once you finish logging in, it should look something like this. Right here, you can make appointments and you can view your holds.
There you go, guys. This is how you download and set up the Navigate app in your cell phone. If you have any other questions, you can go to navigate.nmsu.edu for more information. Thank you and have a nice day.